Yes, it's not all about your hair type, it is just a creativity that you can always do. I decided to do something from this hair extension and it is called spring twist. Those ones who know, you can always get it yourself. And you can ask yourself, why am I plating going upwards? Yes, so that is also something that you need to understand why I always do this. And then there's a lot of people who are still asking this question that what are these white things that always apply? Yes, and I think you're going to get your answer in this video. So if you're new on this channel, please let's do this.
Morris, the Crochet Master.
All right. Yes, my name is Morris, the Crochet Master, and I would like to welcome everyone who is watching wherever you are. And I work at Hair by Clippers. It is Hair by Clippers with Z. To those ones who would love to get our services, you can always come to Ntinda Minister's Village, that is Kampala, Uganda, and get our service from Hair by Clippers with Z, Clippers with Z. And then we thank God that we opened up a branch in Mbarara City, just in Kamkozi behind BAM petrol station, so you can also come and enjoy our services. So those ones who are very far, and yeah, I'm trying very hard to see that our services can reach you guys. So let's get back to our topic of today. Since I told you it's not all about the hair type, you can always create something from any kind of crochet or hair extension. Let's say even braid and those synthetic extensions, you can always create something from them. So let's try to look at these braids and the spring twist braids. Let's try to look at them so that we get to learn something. Yes, you might ask yourself, why am I plaiting going upward? Yes, I'm going to answer you right now. I realize that this hairstyle that I'm doing right now, it is very hard to maintain it when it is free. So it means my client will always, well, like most of the times, she'll be holding it above. So there is no need to plait it going backward, to plait it going backward. Yes, I rather do it going upwards. You know why? It is because that is the right direction where someone holds the puff. So it means I'm just going to create like two lines going upwards towards the position, the center for the puff, if my client is going to hold her puff. So those ones who might ask themselves, why am I plaiting going upwards? I think you got the right answer. I didn't say that it is wrong plaiting it going backwards. I didn't say it is wrong, but still we need to see at the moment, like the time when these people would leave the hair free. And if you realize that the hair may not be left free for a long time, so it's better you just plait it going upwards, like towards the center of that the pathway is going to be held. So that is very, very important when you're trying to do something like this. And then another thing, when we are doing it, I just want you guys to look at this very careful before doing anything. That as we join our hair, you just have to bring it this way and then you start braiding. But braiding, you follow the instruction of the inside Knotless way. Those ones who have learned how to do this method, trust me, this method is very, very interesting, very, very nice. You know why? It is because when these braids get growth, and sometimes yes, when it get growth, you can always have you can always lock it after. If you want, you can always lock it. That's why I would like you guys to learn how to do this kind of this method. It is very, very perfect. And yes, I can still talk about this method. Another thing is, it is very, very protective. Yes, to those ones mostly with weak hairlines, and those ones with broken hairline. Yeah, most of the times we don't allow. You see now, when it looks up, it really, really looks good. Most of the times we don't allow to plait those the hair that has broken hairline, but we always try to advise, and then maybe we create something that is very protective, yes, for that hair to regrow. And most of the times we always ask for our clients to do the crochet, because we believe that they can always be protective for that kind of hairstyle. But others keep on they refuse to do those hairstyles. They keep on wanting these new hairstyles. But I always want you guys to know that if you have broken hairline, yes, try most of the times, like, try to listen to your hairstylist, because sometimes you might love a hairstyle, yet it is not good for your hair type, or the texture, or maybe the broken hairline. So if you get an advice from your hairstylist, it would be a good thing, so that you can always protect your hair. And the another issue, there are some people who keep on changing salons. Whenever they do, they keep on changing salons. So you find we have different type, or we have different attachers. So mine might be soft, and another one is not soft at all, and maybe mine is also not, and others are very, very good. So we just need to stick to the salons that we see are very, very good for our hair. Like, those people always give time for our hair. So that's how it is going to, that's how it can be done. Then another thing, you need to learn how to do this method. Trust me, you may not do it well if you don't know how to use this method. It is very, very nice. You can look at it, how I'm doing it, just like that. Very soft and protective. It is very soft and protective. So if you keep on using this inside Knotless way, trust me, your hair can grow very well. And yes, this is how it looks. So this is what I was trying to tell you, that I realized that if she wants to leave it free, yes, it is possible. She can leave it free, but it is very hard for a long time. So that's why I was plaiting, going to the center. So yeah, yes, guys, this is our our anti-itchy oil for the MDC. Yes, and you can get it. And I was trying to tell you that after realizing that this hair cannot stay down for long, so that's why I chose to use the other method. Then this is the molds for the whole the olive oil. Those ones who have been asking me, the whitish that I always put on the hair. Yes, that is the molds for the olive oil. So for now, I can hold my puff, and I know it is going to be very, very perfect, since I made my the center, like this, since I made I got the location where the center is supposed to be. So this is what I got for you today. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and I would like to thank everyone who is watching me wherever you are. Thank you so much. I love you too, and may God keep blessing you all. So still, I would like to let you know, guys, that we have a branch here by Clippers. We have a branch in Mbarara City. So if you want to get our services, you can always come and get it. So we are in Kamukozi, behind BAM petrol station. Yes, just around there. So you can always come and get our service. For now, let me just sign out. My name is Maurice, the crochet master. See you in other next video. Bye bye.